Director General, National Space Research and Development Agency, NASRDA, Dr. Matthew Adepoju, has restated the need to overhaul Nigeria's academic curriculum to meet current requirements and advancements in technology. Adepoju, in an interview with the news agency of Nigeria NAN in Abuja, said many graduates of tertiary institutions lacked industry requirements, technology trends, and expertise for employment.
The internship program and NYC program, it's a window for us to see what the university, polytechnic, and colleges of education are churning out. And we believed that we need a total overhaul of our academic curriculum to fit with the current advancement in technology. Now we are in the age of Industry 4.0, that is Industrial Revolution 4. The first Industrial Revolution, we missed out. The second Industrial Revolution, we were not there. The third Industrial Revolution, we were about grasping with it. Then there is a shift to the fourth Industrial Revolution. Now we are to position our youth, our next hand, to be able to play game, to be able to deliver, to be able to compete globally. That's why the curriculum that we've been running for 60, 70, 50, 30 years need a total overhaul.
He explained that the rule of the game has changed with artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics, adding that there is hardly any department that can run core traditional programs.
The technology has changed, the rule of game have changed, the AI, the robotics, and there's no department that can run core traditional program anymore. For example, you are a journalist. In journalism, there's a new media now. The way many people like you were trained 5, 10 years ago about journalism, the rule of game has changed. Anybody that goes with old strategy will never ever talk to the youth. And the same thing, this is a country that have a very boisterous, intelligent, competent, sound, and capable youth that needs to be positioned. And we need to midwife technology into every course curriculum. And this is how we can play with the developing world. If we have target that in the next 30 years we want to catch up, we want to be at par with first world, then charity begins at home. And the basic for that is for us to look inside our educational curriculum and make sure that the robustness of educational system in China, in Malaysia, in US, in Europe is the same thing we have come up with.